Welcome to TheStickyBanana. Today we're doing drunk cooking. I don't know what kind of intro I'm supposed to be doing, but let me introduce our guests. Today we have a terribly timed phone call and you guys are terrible at this.
What's up?
Not exactly the house. Hey, secure food.
Secure the forge.
It's gonna get secure.
We don't want we got him Game of Thrones getting through there.
Ain't nobody.
Today, you guys are gonna be cooking something for us. You gotta figure out what you're cooking as you're going.
Alright.
And I know that you're new to this kitchen. You've never cooked shit here before, so
No.
you guys don't know where anything is, and this is gonna be cool. It's not gonna be cool.
What exactly is restricted?
God.
Nothing.
Nothing.
In fact, to start things off, I'm gonna need you to pour yourself a shot.
Okay. Where's the... Please deliver the bottle. We require refreshments.
The bottle is where it needs to be. We must find it.
Gotta go look for it.
Oh, we got. Now we gotta look for it. Well, I don't exactly see the bottle over here.
All right, you know what? Just I'll help you out with this one. It's in the freezer.
Oh, okay.
That one should have been fucking obvious. Trying to help move this thing along.
It shouldn't be obvious when you stick it in there, motherfucker.
Hey, my mama watches this shit, man. Come on.
Well, your mama's old enough to know that we swear.
At least somebody watches it.
Yeah. Oh god damn it, yeah. Like what, 146 nowadays? Like, oh my god.
Wait, you
We
didn't
we expect to be millionaires by this time.
What if you don't want to be a millionaire?
Then you shouldn't be on the game show.
You guys should be my friends, right? You wouldn't like me for the money, because you all be rich.
You don't even have money.
I ain't got money.
All right, get yourself a shot and take a beer, and we're gonna get started.
Alright.
I want some beer.
We got shot in the way. We got beer over here, beer over there.
Oh shit.
I have beer fridge. Cheers to the people who are not here and probably not watching.
Cheersing like it actually matters.
What's up? It's like fucking 1 in the morning, man.
It's literally 11:58 now. Now take a shot.
Yeah, 2 more
Hurry up before it's Easter.
Just take a swig.
All right,
Oh,
well, somebody needs to preheat the oven to 375.
Make sure it's empty.
Okay. Let me do that then.
Yeah, make sure there's no cats inside.
Really?
Dude, I don't know what the fuck.
There's a cat over here, there's a cat over there. Cats are okay.
Oh, he's in the fucking kitchen, alright? I'm sorry. Oh, he's island.
I never used one of these ovens before. Shut the fuck up. Alright, 350?
375.
Alright.
I don't want to be a lazy Mexican.
You're not.
You're gonna need somebody
You know, fuck it.
to find
What?
1 1/4 cups of sugar.
Okay. Let's find the sugar. What the fuck is that? That's flour. That's flour, okay. Here's the sugar. Yeah. How many cups? Host.
Yes.
Hostess cup, how many cups?
1 1/4 cups.
Thank you. Alright, well, let's get out a cup. Alright. Let's see how fucked up this kitchen is.
Yeah, I think we fucked the fuck up.
Geniuses. Let's use these cups.
Oh, what the fuck?
Hey, we still got a measuring tool in here.
I almost hit my fucking head on this shit. Yeah, fuck this box. You might get in the way.
Alright, careful there, man, alright?
Alright, I'm taking it easy.
This... What the fuck is this?
Alright, well, he's eyeballing it, and eyeballing it's gonna be pretty close. Alright.
It's like 1/3 of a cup right there.
Okay.
Oh, that's not good.
Alright. This is gonna be a fat cake.
Jesus Christ.
Don't judge me, motherfucker. Okay. Alright, 1 1/4. What's next?
Next, you need to find the butter. You need 1 cup of butter.
It's in the fridge. Are you sure this is cake?
I never said it was cake.
Fuck you guys put butter in it.
Well, just get the butter, man.
Hey, there's Imperial tub butter right here. That can't fucking work.
Yeah, sure.
I want the fucking butter sticks on me. I don't fucking
We don't
know,
got butter
man.
sticks.
No, you don't. That's okay.
Okay. We got
They got a
some
big ass
butter.
case of eggs though. Let's we're good on eggs. Ooh, alright.
Well, we don't need utensils. I got a bowl to mix this shit in.
Okay, it's fucking long around.
Alright, find a bowl.
Bring a bowl?
Yeah, we need a bowl.
Alright.
That's what we
What the fuck you want? Fucking pour motherfucker.
Are you sure you got any good bowls?
Mm-hmm.
You sure?
Yeah.
You're not fucking with us. Because I feel like you're fucking
Okay.
with us.
I like how you got a hole right in front of your shirt so your gut hangs out.
That's not my problem.
Fat fashion.
Fashion, if you would.
Did you just fart?
No, man.
Look at Pat.
Maybe.
No, not Pat. Freaking Nick. You just farted.
Oh, hey, what's up, man?
There you go. Look at that. We got a bowl.
You got a bowl.
Clean it.
Hey, it's fucking clean except for this fucking
No,
part
it's
right
not.
here.
Go scrub it. Come on.
Oh, you want me to look like just a fucking dick or something?
Alright. How much butter?
You need 1 cup of butter.
Just 1 cup of fucking...
But first, I'm gonna need you to kill at least half of your beer.
half a beer.
At least. At least.
Alright, fine.
No offense, but you are so much better than Nick right now as far as I need you to catch up.
Yeah.
One more shot.
Where are your forks?
Nick can find
No, not
those.
forks, fucking
Nick
spoons.
can find the forks and spoons while you take another shot.
It's not my fault, by the way. Just we just needed one for, you know,
Oh, really? How many you want?
just to measure the butter, man.
Pour one for Nick too while you're there, just so he's ready for next time.
Okay. You're not drinking it now. Calm down.
Do we need both? Let's put it in a fork.
No, just a spoon. I'm giving you this order because those guys are assholes.
Alright. Assholes.
Alright, so you.
You're the reason I fucking drink.
We know, and we enjoy it. Now, we're gonna need you to take the 1 cup of butter
1 cup of butter.
and cream it together with the sugar.
Okay. This butter's dirty, but okay. This is butter, right?
Wow, I'm sorry. I messed up on one thing here.
What's up?
We're missing a couple ingredients.
This is fucking vegetable oil spread.
No, we got them. We got them. It's just I forgot to bring them to the table here. Nick?
Sure.
I'm gonna need you to grab 3 eggs and some vanilla.
That's correct.
Yes.
You have to double broiler that shit, bro.
Huh?
If they get a pot, you gotta fill a pot halfway full of water. Put that bowl in that water. Run that water, and run that heat, and then mix it up.
You want to see how light this butter is?
Oh, really? Okay, have fun.
I mean, it would work.
No, butter there, fucking egg right there.
Eggs. He said eggs and vanilla extract.
3 eggs.
And vanilla extract could be any
Same
type of
fucking
fucking
butter.
container.
Alright. I might need more. Are you sure this thing can be killed?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna kill it.
Do what you gotta do, Eddie. Just make sure it's the right amount.
That's fucking gross.
Well, it just seems like there's a bit not enough in here to make a cup.
Wait, what the fuck?
Jesus.
Why did you turn up the cups in here?
I'm just saying, man. Don't. You want me to bake this cake? I will bake you this cake. All right?
I never said it was a cake, but yeah, you're baking it.
Fuck you. I'm baking something.
I'll bake you something.
Guess that makes you the big king.
Okay. Yeah, that looks sloppy as hell.
Vanilla ashtray. What the fuck would that fucking be?
Right over there, man.
What?
In that cabinet, right above the coffee maker. The coffee doodler.
Coffee doodler?
Yeah.
I'm into the coffee doodler.
Find the vanilla extract. It's the fucking. Yeah. There you go.
Take a sip off your beer while you're doing that.
Oh yeah, Eddie, you're gonna need to have a little more beer. Nick, 3 eggs,
Oh yeah. Thank you.
and then take another sip of beer.
Alright.
Wait,
Oh yeah.
just a sip for me
These
or
are
half?
eggs.
Oh, you can do whatever you want. I trust you a little more.
No, you don't. Let's be
Well,
honest.
I shot
You
my
don't.
heart.
Alright, kill your fucking beer right now.
Oh,
Alright, there you go. There you go. That's the real Dave. I
What's your
come to
fucking
understand.
Oh shit.
fucking douche.
We only needed 3, motherfucker.
Huh?
We only needed 3. Not 12 minutes.
Oh, you know what? I got it. I'm sorry.
No, you got it.
I'm sorry.
Plus, you just had an ashtray.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. It's good. It's good.
And you will be needing how much vanilla?
It's already done.
1 teaspoon of vanilla.
Good.
Okay. Wait, stop. You're not adding in the eggs. You're adding in the egg whites. That's what's important here. 3 egg whites.
Yeah, alright.
It's important.
Give me a sec.
Which one? This one? No, you need 3 egg yolks.
You need a bowl.
Wait. Do we need the yolks or the whites?
The yolks. But you might as well separate that so you have the whites separated as well and keep that to the side. You might need them for something
Alright,
later.
we're gonna need a bowl.
Gotta keep those whites segregated.
You got that? No! We're done. Okay. Just put it all in there. We'll get a spoon and we'll dig out the yellow.
Look at Nick. Damn, he just showed you.
3 fucking years, Joe. I did prep, man.
Well, I'm glad.
I'm a fucking cook, man.
Well, I'm glad you know how to.
Where's your garbage at?
Where is the garbage at?
Oh, fuck. Where's the garbage at? Fucking here. That's right.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. How's this looking, Nick? Nice
Oh, that's good. That's good.
And yeah, we don't need that.
Oh, shit. Fuck that up.
Hey Nick, did you drink your beer yet?
I took the swig out of it. I found a beer and then I drank it because it was a random beer.
You want my pocket beer? It's been in like my pocket since the last drinking contest. It's not warm, so if you want, you can have it.
It's not warm.
Yes, if you want to say.
Yeah. Hold on.
That's the oven.
It might be.
Oh, okay.
He doesn't hurry in time.
Yeah, right.
Just calm
Oh
down.
yeah, you know what? That's also a good idea.
What?
Eddie, clear off the dead beers.
That's not dead. That's not dead either. That's not dead either.
Alright. Hey, those need to be killed.
All of
These
them.
aren't mine though. I already killed mine.
Somebody needs to kill those.
Whose beers are?
This way.
Alright.
You're good. I mean,
Eddie, just start killing yours.
no,
They
you
should
take
each-
that. No, you take this one.
You
That's
should
the
each
lightest
kill one
one.
beer and a half beer and chug those other ones.
You want a few of these
Just sit there.
motherfuckers? They're full.
Yeah.
They're full. Okay.
Alright, they're cold though. These are
Yeah.
warm. I don't eat no fucking warm beer. Throw that shit in the freezer for a couple fucking minutes and then fucking, you know. Alright.
You put a whole eggshell in the bowl. You know that, right? I'm not challenging your expertise here. I'm just saying.
Nigga, I do this shit for a living. Like, come on. I'm just drunk as hell.
It's okay. That's why Eddie's picking up the
Where's
slack.
fucking spoon? Alright, there's a spoon in here. You know what? So.
Next, you're going to need 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour.
Excusez-moi.
2.5 cups of all-purpose flour.
2.5 cups of flour de gras.
You're just getting them. You're just getting them.
You mean this? You mean this thing right here?
Do I?
Fucking gross ass shit I'm doing right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sure.
You confused the living fuck out of me. You know that?
Do I?
Yes.
You ain't a fucking chef.
You are the chef.
Okay.
Yeah, that's flour. Fuck you.
Are you sure?
Yes.
How do you know?
Yeah, I'm a fucking high ass chef.
Don't make me
Oh
second think
shit!
myself.
I take it. I gotta watch my tone.
Alright, let me see what you got. Okay.
Best I could do.
You want to mix while I get the cups going over here?
Sure.
Hey, how many do we need again?
Ain't perfect.
How many
but
cups
it's
of
working.
sugar? Or sorry, flour.
2.5 cups.
2.5 cups. You need to set them aside and not put them in.
Got it. Hey, Nick, before you put that shit in there, how about you take this tool that I just happened to find, and I'll give you a bowl of this.
What's our cup? I have 4 or 5 of these.
You know what? We got a cup. Why do we need a bowl?
Wait, no.
No, yeah, don't put it in yet. Hey, that's 1/3 right now, right? Put it in here. We need
There
two.
you go. There's a good boy.
Alright. We need 2 more.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Hey, don't egg them on. They just,
Alright.
they want a show. We don't gotta give them that.
Eddie,
What do you want?
that's heresy, and I'm gonna need another shot out of you.
Oh shit.
That's 2.
Oh, you gotta like. I put 2 in. I put
Okay, no,
5
yeah,
should be it.
yeah, no, just 1 more in there, and then 3 in here, and that's it.
Eddie, that doesn't sound like you're taking a shot.
Fuck you.
Yeah.
I said vacuum, by the way. I don't think I'm going to be sober by the end of this, but at least we'll have something.
Nick's just packing away like a little squirrel.
Dang it. What can you do for a living, bro? I'm sorry. I need to go back to work, man.
Being a good cook is
I'm on vacation right now. This is my last fucking day.
It's okay.
Hang out with your Christmas.
You're good. You're good.
Huh?
You're good.
Oh,
wait, you're good.
Oh, yeah, fucking.
Calm down. Calm down.
These things are not even.
Are they?
Do we have these?
Just...